Hi there. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the Master of Finance channel, and share it with friends interested in financial education. Have you ever heard of passive income? It's the money you earn regularly without actively working for it. Unlike active income, which requires your daily effort, passive income allows your money to work for you. There are various ways to build a passive income stream. Let's explore some of them. 1. Investing in dividend-paying stocks. By investing in solid companies that distribute part of their profits to shareholders, you can receive dividends periodically. 2. Real estate investment trusts. REITs. Investing in REITs allows you to earn rental income from commercial or residential properties without owning physical real estate. 3. Creating digital content. Producing ebooks, online courses, or YouTube videos can generate passive income through sales or monetization. 4. Rental properties. Purchasing properties to rent out is a traditional way to generate passive income. 5. Fixed income investments. Applications like bonds and certificates of deposit offer periodic returns with lower risk. Building a passive income stream requires planning, discipline, and patience. It's important to diversify your income sources and reinvest earnings to enhance results over time. Remember, the key to financial success is to start as soon as possible. Even with small amounts, you can take the first steps toward financial independence. If you found this content helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the Master of Finance channel, and share it with your friends.